send me a picture of what you mean?
I'm in shorts right now for me. I'm supposed to have like my dress.
I mean, I see the old dress. The pallet
Yeah.
didn't drop. I pressed the space bar and it didn't drop. Great pallet.
Alright, we got a caboose. Our teammates gotta be so pissed when they're up on the hook and this is what they see. God damn it, that's too far for this train. Certainly that's not our problem.
Oh.
Hey, you wouldn't drive this train into danger, would you?
Never.
Okay, I believe that. Caillou, I think there's
Never,
a person
never.
ahead.
No, we're good.
On a culé.
We are the gens.
We're gonna have like
Yeah,
30.
has-
Over here.
Caillou.
I'll move. Hold up. You can't see us.
Or a bush. Thank you.
You gotta give him an ass slap. You gotta slap his ass. Gotta slap his ass. Yep. You get it.
Oh my god.
You understand.
Oh my god, she lost me. Dwight, heal. Dwight. Fuck you. You missed a skill check.
Can we appear off
Sometimes
this
you're gonna get
bitch?
killed.
Oh, you better figure it out before I get it.
Yeah. Mike, they look already.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. Win this game. We can look twice. I could turn time. Oh my god! I was talking shit. I got grabbed from that. Good thing.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Fucking legend.
There's so much to take in that last 10 seconds.
We need to go back on the gen. Where was
Alright,
it?
It's over here, Caillou.
I'm following you. Alright.
It's right by where they're healing. Sorry, excuse me.
Oh.
Well, move, Becky. I don't want to heal you.
Oh,
Oh!
my god.
Caillou!
Becky!
Caillou win!
Becky!
You left
Holy
me in the fucking corner.
fuck. Not great.
Oh, Tony's pissed. Tony's
It's
pissed.
going to whoever Wesker is chasing.
Oh no!
Well, that's no bueno, because I'm...
Oh my
I hate
god,
that.
that Meg is. Oh.
Becky! Becky! How? Since when?
Why are you doing that, you son of a bitch?
Oh!
Oh
Thank
my god,
you
I
for
dodged
that
it this
boost.
time.
Oh my god. There. That's kind of bullshit that he can't do that.
He perfectly turns!
Yeah.
He never used to be able to. Dude, he went around that
Ow.
truck! Yeah, fuck about Becky.
Oh, you ran into the wall. Can you go out of fucking retard mode, please, sir? Oh.
I don't think we're living this. Oh my god, we're living.
Yeah.
No!
Thank you. We're chilling, he can't see us.
Nobody was supposed to see that. I'm a trash bag. He's still on me in the shack. Oh, he has bamboozle. He blocks his stupid window. I didn't see that.
Have you used the pack shallot?
Yes, I used the back channel.
There are 2 gens over here on me.
Oh my god, the rando got me again. Seriously. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, she's built different. He's built different.
She is built different.
They.
Oh, I don't see him, buddy. Apparently he's right by me. Are you guys in the house?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I'm going out the house. No, I'm still inside the house.
Yeah, I do not have the right verse. I have the fucking one where fucking he yells and shit. Fuck that.
He's still kind of on me. He's still on me, very on me.
You bring him if you bring him this way, I switch sides. There's another pallet over here by the greenhouse.
I'm gonna
He's still going. Damn.
Oh my god, he's stuck.
Wait, he gave up on you?
Oh, yeah.
He smacked my pallet, or he smacked my gen. What a dick.
Dude, he's back on me. What did I do to this guy?
Seriously?
Oh my god.
No, that's the end for me.
Where you at, Becky? I can take a look.
I think Bill Bum
my way.
found someone else to bully.
Alright.
Gunslinger's coming.
Oh yeah, I see him. Oh my god.
They big Angie. He missed again.
Oh. That gen nurse.
He lost me.
This is what I want to do to people at festivals with deodorant. Wait, am I not healed?
Oh.
I forgot about that little thing.
Fuck off, Steve.
God damn it. Who
Oh
did
my
it?
Fuck ya, Fang.
Is somebody gonna go for that save? Yes.
I'm gonna die.
Where are you? I can take a hit.
Becky!
I'm in
Forgot me,
I can
Becky.
take more than a hit. I can
library
take a hook.
room, whatever.
We're on the Zimbabwe, don't move. I mean move, don't die,
Becky,
but
Becky!
run.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Go, Becky, go!
Thank
Roll
you!
out.
What's up, Fagman? Oh my god, we ran into
shit,
Gunslinger!
shit,
Oh my god!
Oh shit!
We're panicking! Oh my god!
Oh,
Everybody
he's
stop
so
running.
stupid.
Everybody just stop running. Everybody just calm down.
Ah!
No, no.
Panicking. I'm running.
Yeah, right here. You want me, you stupid bitch. How
Whoa.
did Steve get down? Steve wasn't even a part of this. How did that happen? Steve, what the fuck?
Oh my god, I'm alive.
No. Somebody's spraying themselves near me again. God
Okay.
damn it, Caillou. It's you a second time.
Yeah.
They was just so stinky.
Why would you fast vault the pallet when you just took me off a hook? I hate it here. Why do
Yes, get them. Them. Her. Get her. Her. No,
Yes.
hurry, fucker. Her.
Yes.
Yes. No, her. Her, motherfucker.
No!
Yes. Her. No.
Yes.
damn?
He was so confused.
We blend in the grass.
Yup.
So it's Hillbilly and
Blight.
You can't be. How did you know, dip of shit, that I was there?
What the fuck, Billy? Are you okay?
Let's go save Maple. What the hell?
we're coming.
Yeah.
This guy is trying to juke shoes the dog shit out of me. Oh my god, I've healed forever. I'm the greatest ever. That was funny. You guys did a drive-by heal.
This Billy is so tired of me standing up.
Okay, can you heal me, you stupid butt, or what the fuck's going on? What the fuck? Oh, problem.
God damn it, they're both on me.
Becky. Becky. Shit, Becky, I can't help Billy change targets. No, he didn't. He's still on you.
Oh my god.
Becky.
There is so much going on.
Run it, Becky, run it.
Oh my god!
Oh,
No, cat!
it's okay. At least they're not both on you now.
Did you have your heal, Becky?
No. I
Had to
just
use
used
it
it.
favor, and then
Yeah.
she hit it, got it again. Rick, get me off the hook, Rick.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god, he scared the shit out of me! Ah!
We in danger up here? Oh, fucking pyramid pussy.
Hmm?
Pyramid head and bat fucker.
Damn, nice, Becky.
You saw that?
360 Becky. Yup.
Ah, da, 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 da. Oh, they're both here. Ah!
Loop him the whole time, Becky.
Well,